What the baby. What's up, y'all? We are back at the electronic market. Yesterday, we came here to order 20 tripods, 20 phone mounts, and 20 phone lights. Let's go check our quality. How are you today?
Yes.
You fine? That's good. What you got for me? All of this?
Q&Q.
Okay. Let's go. Today, we came back to check the quality. We came to check the quantity and make sure everything is where we need it to be before we ship it. She was able to help us with this. My longtime friend Fiona. If y'all need anything content creation wise, anything electronic wise, let me know and she can help us. We were also able to get some labels. I don't want to show y'all my customer's logo just yet, but we got stickers to go on the device as well. So y'all need anything, let me know. It's good for the baby too. Walking is good, you know?
I don't know. I just sometimes walk, not every day. Because I'm lazy.
你懒吗？好痛吗？
No.
It's okay. Very easy.
Yeah.
Thank you, Fifi. Thank you. Hey, 你好，你好. Oh, they got everything over here too. April 15, right? They don't want to miss it, right? That's someplace they need to be, right?
Yeah.
Canton Fair, the biggest exhibit for networking in China. It's happening twice a year. 你好，你好，哎，去哪里？
哦，看到这里。
两次吧。鲱鱼之店。
好好好。
看里边，看这里啊。
人你好，哎。OK OK。
阿雷是吧？
这是支付宝吗？
对，这是支付宝。
耶，等一下，我来，我也来。多少钱，老板？50。
52。
好。
It's okay.
Yeah. We just got to my shipper. He gonna send this stuff off for us straight to America, where it needs to go. Bro, how many days? 多少天？
Maybe about 1 week.
1 week? Okay, that's fine.
USA,
USA, 对。
by UPS, okay?
Good. Okay. No problem.
Because
Bro, it's okay now?
yeah, okay, now. No, okay.
真的吗？ OK。这是它的品牌，这是它的品牌。
你 no logo?
No logo.
No logo.
这是没有。
And this?
对，这是。
battery?
Yeah, 你看一下。So he checking for battery right now, just to see which method or which way we want to ship it. 可以吗？ The logo stamps. I don't want to show y'all her logo yet, but we can't fold this.
One carton, two. Maybe a bit. One carton.
不知道，
你还是要一个？
我不知道，你是
一个都可以，都可以的。
可以，好。
One is okay.
One is okay. Okay, 可以。This guy been shipping with me for how long? 多年. 4 years. Maybe 4 years I've been shipping to America with this guy, man. Always had good time. Always good. Never anything bad with this guy. Maybe. Y'all seen us go from ordering the parcels to picking the parcels up to now we are at my shipper. This guy ships everything for me, literally for 4 years now. Cut here. Real people, real results. You got an Amazon store? No problem. We can provide y'all with all the products that you need for a very low cost. We can ship it directly to your drop shipper or wherever warehouse you at. We can get it directly to you. Put this here too. 还有这个，对，在这里。
这是你？
不是这个，对。 This package on the way to you, killer. Sit tight. I'm gonna get you a tracking number. Tracking number tomorrow?
Yeah, tomorrow.
I'm gonna get you a tracking number tomorrow, killer, and I'm gonna send this package straight to you.
Do you sure about this? By using UPS?
Yeah, UPS. It's faster?
Yeah, fast.
很快吗？
Talk about 1 week.
DHL 多少
This maybe slowly go there.
OK，
没有了。
我发给你。
Okay.
OK?
Okay.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah, yeah.
See you.
See you.
Send me the tracking number
Yeah,
tomorrow morning.
Yeah,
See you, bro.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Alright.
你好，你们吃什么？这是火锅。哦，慢慢吃。
四川火锅，
好没？好吃吗？Hey, I will give y'all live updates within the next few days or so to let y'all know there's nothing wrong with China shipping in to US. Everything is smooth, everything is good. We out.